Ever faced a misbehaving protection device? Rebooting might be the simple solution you need. But how do you safely restart these critical systems? In this guide, we'll master remote device management and understand device restart options. Discover how SIPROTEC Tools simplify device rebooting, enabling quick problem-solving locally or remotely, minimizing disruptions, and maximizing system reliability. First, start the SIPROTEC Tools software on your computer. Remember, it's freeware and runs without any admin rights. In the SIPROTEC Tools interface, select the Restart tile to begin the process. Connect to the device either via the USB port in front, or the Ethernet port of the device, or communication module. Look for a green icon, indicating a successful connection to the device. Choose between a simple restart, or a restart that also clears all the logs of the device. For safety measures, enter the confirmation ID of the device. Initiate the restart process. The device will now reboot. Wait for the device to reconnect. The tool will indicate when Reconnect Ion is complete. Verify that the device is back in operation and functioning correctly. Disconnect from the device once you've confirmed proper operation. SIPROTEC Tools now offer enhanced support for operations and maintenance teams, enabling easier troubleshooting both locally and remotely. Streamline your troubleshooting process and minimize downtime with SIPROTEC Tools today.